Hey friends, if you wish to change the Bing wallpaper on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and open a Microsoft Store. Now wait till it loads and then search for Bing here and hit enter. Then go to Bing wallpaper and click on install corresponding to it. It will need a while to install, and once it does, we will open this app. Now search for Bing wallpaper and open the application. Okay. So this is the wallpaper right now, which has recently changed because I installed the Bing wallpaper app. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.